Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on CSS Grid, and we're going to use how to apply the grid area property. So in the previous example, we used grid template areas to name a grid with custom area names. And now to apply these to your items, what you want to do is go to the item that you want to apply to. So once you select that CSS, you do grid area and then the name of the area. So we can do an example here where we want to change item 5. So we look here, item 5 here is pale green is here, and we want it to apply the footer area to it. And we can look here and we see that footer is these last 3. So these bottom 3 cells will be it, and it will no longer be here. So let's just copy that grid area, and then we do footer. And now we can see that it changes the area it occupies based on the name. And that's it for this one. Thank you so much.